How would you like to get paid for things that a 5-year-old can do? Welcome to another video on how to make money. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe because there are a lot of ways to make money online on this channel, and one of them will surely change your life. Let's get into it. What I want to show you today is really a simple way to earn some extra income in your spare time. And I'm talking about web browsing. Yes, you heard right. Just browsing the web. Now you might think, who is so insane to pay people to browse the internet? And the answer is websites. What I'm going to show you is an exclusive platform that makes contract with different website owners who want to know what people think about their websites. They want honest reviews and they are willing to pay for it. For them, this is a great deal because they can see what real people think of their websites, if there are any bugs around, and from that point, it's a piece of cake for them to just do some changes based on those reviews. If, for example, you'd have to review the Google website, you could say that maybe the search bar is too long, or the ads are confusing your search, or not being relevant with what you search for. Things that you notice anyways, but you never bother to leave a review. So why not spend a little of your free time on this platform and earn some extra cash while having some fun? The platform is called UserTesting. All you need to do is go on usertesting.com. I'll also leave a link in the description for you. Once you're there, you'll see in the top right a button called Get Paid to Test. Click on it and you'll be directed to this page. Get paid to share your perspective with global brands. Earn a little extra money on your spare time by helping brands build better products and experiences for people around the world. Just fill in this box with your email address and make sure to check this little box that you agree with their terms and conditions. Then click on Get Started and that's it. Quite simple, isn't it?